Hi everyone, my name is Nargis Nasreen and we are here to solve another question on SQL, and today is day 50 of solving 100 questions on SQL. So the question we are going to solve today is Meta/Facebook accounts. So the question is calculate the ratio of accounts closed on January 10th, 2020 using the FB account status table. Okay, so the question is very simple. We have to just find out the ratio of account that got closed on January 10th, 2020. And the table is given here. So we have this table, we have account ID, status date, and status. And we have to check it only for January 10th. So we are going to put the condition where status date is equal to 2020, month is Jan, and date is 10. Okay, so now let's run this code. So on January 10th, these are the status, that is some accounts are open, some are closed. So we have to select only for closed. The ratio we have to basically calculate. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to write down status date, comma, case when status is equal to closed, then 1, else 0, and as closed. Okay, so what I did here, we have the status date, and wherever the account is closed, the value is closed, I am putting the value 1, and if it is anything else than closed that is open, the value is going to be 0. Okay, so if we are going to sum the 1 values, it is going to give us how many accounts are closed, and if we are going to count the total values in the closed column, we are going to get how many number of total accounts were there present on the January 10th. And using these two, we can calculate the ratio. Okay, so we do not need this. So I'm going to remove this and let's run this. Okay, so what we are going to do, okay, so I'm going to put this in our table. Let's name this as T. And then I'm going to write down select sum of closed. So it is going to give the sum of total closed account divided by count of closed. So it is going to give the total count of the account. Okay, from this. So we have used subquery. Okay, now let's run this. Okay. Oh, there is my spelling mistake. Now let's run this. Okay, so we are getting this value, that is 4545. Let's name this as closed ratio. Now let's run this. Okay, so this is what we are getting. That is on January 10th, 2020. This is the ratio of account that got closed. And we found it using a case statement. That is, in the case statement, what we did, we put value as 1 wherever the account is closed and 0 if the account is not closed. And using the sum, we find out how many accounts got closed. And using the count, we find out how many accounts were there available on January 10th. And by dividing these two, we've got the ratio. Okay. So now let's see the expected output. So yeah, it is matching. So now let's submit our solution. So our solution got accepted. So our query is correct. So this is the query. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. If you have more solution to this problem, you can ask that too in the comment section. Hope you like this video. If you like it, keep liking. Do not forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.